Oh, a creature.
It's not a creature. It's a lawyer. It's one of your most formidable enemies.
Go, pirate!
Oh, another pirate! You're violating intellectual property rights. You're gonna be pwned. Police, I choose you. Use rape.
Pirate, use flee.
Police, use jail.
Pirate, use bribe.
I'm gonna use an item. 5 million lawsuit.
Pirate, use connections.
Hello, Mr. Mayor. Ano mo dito?
To protect the world from software piracy. To unite all people for software productivity. To denounce the evil of P2P and copy-paste. To extend our profits to the stars above. Optical Media Board, blast off with the speed of light. Surrender now or prepare to fight.
It seems like the number of pirates are steadily increasing. This is alarming.
Oh yes, I believe it is so. And with this information in hand, I think we should do something. I think we should spread the news who are these pirates are and how to defeat them. I think we should do the information dissemination strategy. Do you think so?
Yes, I think so too.
I think so too.
Furthermore, I think we should implement stricter law policies. We should make the penalties more expensive.
Yes. But we should also consider that the consumers are buying pirated media because they are cheaper. So we should give them bigger discounts, better packages for licenses.
I think we should.
But I think we should all work together for this.
Yes,
We can do this.
we can do this.
Let's
Go, go, go.
OMB.
OMB! Fight!
What the hell was that? Where did it come from? Back to our topic. So you were saying Mr. Yoso, Mr. Baker here earned money in bad ways.
Actually, I just joked. I would like to know first how Mr. Baker conducts his business.